Hey, this is the Top Winning Products channel. Every day we look for new products to sell. This is the best product of the day. Our next product is the edge banding trimmer. This easily cuts uneven table corners. It can be used for various jobs that you need to be done. It's made of high-quality stainless steel screws. It's durable and rust-resistant, and it has a sharp blade. For efficient trimming, it's easy to use and easy to unscrew, and it's convenient for storage without occupying much space. And this product has received more than 214,000 views, 1,220 likes, and 202 shares. Now the selling price for the edge banding trimmer is just under $24, whereas the product cost is only $10.32. Shipping is completely free, so you're looking at a good profit margin of $13.67. So, sell it now. Thanks for watching. Now if you liked this video, and you got some value watching it, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell.